All right, 60-second van tour. We got Meg in her fire truck. Oh, she's trying to clean real quick before we do this, just like everyone else.
It's a mess.
All right, what do you have to tell us about this thing?
This is my house, and this is my daughter, Molly. She's 10. She makes tons of arts and crafts, so there's always everything everywhere. And my bed's not made, which is shameful.
Oh, don't worry, I've never made my bed once in years.
Yeah, I got my like fridge, stove.
Super cool. And this was an old fire truck?
It was.
Oh,
yeah.
wow.
Yeah.
What year is it?
It's in 1985.
What's your favorite part? What's your least favorite part?
My favorite part?
I'm sorry,
how cozy and cute it is. Least favorite part? Driving uphill.
For sure. Where can the people find you?
The Step Van Diary.
And make sure to sign up for your mailing list, right? Twice a week?
Yeah, link in our bio on Instagram. You can sign up. It's a bi-weekly newsletter about van life on the road as a single mom of a 10-year-old little girl.
Right on, we just hit a minute. We just need a quick vanning, ain't no joke.
Vanning ain't no joke.